Okay, good evening everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Chini Arroyo, Cloan Montañedo, Coach Jerry Lee, and Thea Gagate of the Zeus Coffee Thunderbills who won in straight sets against the Capital One Solar Spikers. Coach, congratulations on this win, your third win with Zeus Coffee. What can you say about how the team performed tonight against Capital One?
Yung first set, ang ganda, no? So, no, I mean, di ba? Yung execution, wala pa yung tiwala, wala pa yung kumpiyansa, kulang pa. So, we'll try to work on those. And second, third set, yun, execute naman tayo. Then, work lang kami, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Thank you, Coach. And for Genie, best player of the game with 15 points. Personally, ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo in this game to help the team get this win?
Kasi nung last game po, yun yung kinuha na namin ng parang lesson namin. So, yung para next game, ready na kami. And yun.
Thank you, Genie. And for your team captain, Chloe, galing kayo sa dalawang magkasunod na 5-setter, tapos kayo nakuha nyo to in straight sets. Ano lang din masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team tonight?
Marami pang kulang ng first set, but then we need to work on that. And also, I'm happy lang sa naging progress ng team, and ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Thank you. And for Nea, yun nga, nakuha nyo tong win na to. Ano lang din yung masasabi mo sa yun, naging overall performance niya tonight against Capital?
Well, kada game naman, kailangan nang mag-learn talaga. So, learning experience, kumbaga. Kasi, yun nga, ilang beses kami nagka 5-setter game. Kailangan pa namin i-work on yung tapang sa loob ng court, individually and as a team.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Thea, ito yung first time mo makalaban si Leila. Ano lang pakiramdam ngayon na ito, magkatapat na kayo after noon?
Exciting lang kasi first time nga namin and medyo naninibago pa kami sa ganitong setup since matagal kami magkasama noong college. And ayun lang, parang excited lang din kami sa mga experience namin sa PBL.
Coach, yung huling dalawang pagkatalo niyo po against Creamline and Choco Mucho, 5-set po pareho. Parang despite the result, how important is it po for you na those two, kumbaga title contender teams po, nasasagad nyo na rin bilang young and kumbaga up and coming team pa lang?
We need those kinds. Hindi, kumbaga dadaan kami sa mga ganong klaseng games para mag-grow. Happy ako na it came so early, kumbaga. May mga ganong stages talaga na dadaanan ng isang team. And ayan na nga, nandiyan kami, 5-setters. We have to get over the hump, no, para matuto, para maging mature, para maging better team. So, masaya. Yeah.
And for the experience lang din of playing against the likes of Creamline and Choco Mucho, about their established title teams na title contending teams, how important are those kinds of games for you in your rookie year then to kumbaga gain that composure moving forward?
Well, thankful ako na nakapag-experience ako ng ganong level of game, especially nung nagka 5-setter kami both teams. Malaking bagay siya for me as a rookie, and also yung experience ko ng national team kasi at least in that game aware ako sa mga tendencies ng mga naging teammates ko nun. So, malaking bagay pa rin siya.
Coach, yun nga, syempre may room for improvement pa rin naman. Pero how would you describe lang yung improvement, progress ng team from being one of the lower ranked teams biglang ngayon nakaka-experience na kayo ng mga panalo?
Wala lang. Ganun talaga Yun yung aim ng lahat ng team. Mag-improve, maging number 1, and then kahit naman number 1 ka na, hindi pa pwedeng stagnant ka lang. So, you have to move forward always. Lesson, ups and downs. So, paminsan nakakapagod, nakaka-frustrate. And then, syempre, you look back and then maraming positives na mahuhugutan, kumbaga. You can't help but be happy with the team na parang kita mo na meron talagang i-improve pa.
Coach, speaking on yan na nakatapat niya yung feed line at saka motion 5 sets, siguro what will it take lang for the team to get over yung parang ma-establish yung sarili niyo na nandun na kayo sa point na kaya nyo talagang tapatan yung mga ganyan?
It won't be that easy kasi individually kailangan mabuo yung kumpiyansa sa sarili, yung mental game, sobra. And as a team, kailangan mag-jive lahat, yung timing ng isa't isa. Hanggang ngayon, parang after the first set, tsaka pa lang kami nakapag-adjust ng ilang plays namin. So, it doesn't end in any point talaga eh. You have to improve, you have to be better, you have to adjust. Diba? Nagbabago yung timing, o nagbabago yung kondisyon, nagbabago yung players, nagbabago yung kalaban. So, ganun lang. Try lang.
And Leila, yun nga, pag nasabihan niya yung about you and Leila na experience niya sa PBL so far, siguro napag-uusapan niyo rin ba yun? Kayong dalawa na parang kamustahan kayo na about, new teams kayo, hindi na kayo in Lasal. So, pag-uusapan niyo rin ba yun about the whole PBL experience so far?
Well, lately, di pa masyado. Pero, from time to time, we try to update. Kasi friends kami. So, pero yun nga, happy lang din kami sa kung saan kami ngayon. And nagkakamustahan and nag-wish lang kami ng best of luck sa isa't isa.
Coach, yung next game niyo will be against Cherry Tigo. So, paano lang din makakatulong tong win na to heading into that game?
We have our routine, pahinga, recover, practice, scout, discuss, and then game plan. So, yun naman yung routine. Pinag-iigihan namin lagi, pinagbubutihan namin, and then try lang namin mag-execute. Kung makuha namin yung panalo, good for us. Hindi, sige pa. Try to be better lang.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Thea. Thank you, Claude. Thank you, Cindy. Congrats on the win.
Thank you po.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.